Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to the website planning and creation module. So continuing forward our learning on the DV module, let us learn the remaining module. So till now we have learned till a portfolio and post navigation. So let's start with the post slider. So post slider is nothing but just that if you're having some post written on your website, so you can slide those posts in a small sections if you want to. So like suppose I want 5 posts to slide, and these are the category of posts that is present on my website. So just one thing guys, whenever you write a post on a website, never forget to write the category, like else it will represent as uncategorized. So suppose I want this AdWords and digital marketing quiz and digital marketing video, Google Panda. These all are the posts that I want to slide, or I'll make it 10. I want 10 posts to slide. After that you can even select how you want to arrange it based on the date, that is the newest should come first, then towards the oldest, or old to new, A to Z, or any random, whatever way you want to arrange it. If you want to have a button on your post, then you can select what the button should appear like. Right now it's written read more. I'll say what I should say, I'll say click here. I'll say click here. Okay, fine. I'll say so excerpt means a small snippet of the blog. I can just use that yes. So the excerpt, what is the length, and do I want to show the arrow? The arrow means at the end of the slider, do you want the arrows to appear that people can manually just cross right or left of the slider? That the arrow and control helps us in read more button and meta description. All is fine, and I'll say yes, appear the post, the images which are featured images, whatever we put, and even we can have a background. So rest all looks good. Let's just click on save and exit and see the preview. So I'll do one thing guys, I'll even try to show you in the front end version, so that if you're working in the front end you can use it in a most effective manner. So what I'm finding is like the image and the text is not looking good, so let me just click to edit it. There is one way of editing it, is either I can have a text background color, like there should be a background film behind the text that will make the text more clearly visible, right? I'll show you how that option comes and how we can actually use it, and even we can make the section where there is no sidebar, then it will help us in increasing the width, yeah, something like this. So it is still, you can see the background image and the text are merging with each other. As a result, it's not creating the readability of the text is very low. The user is not able to understand what exactly is written out here. So for that, what I can do is, rather than going as you can see, this green color is for the section setting. So right now I need to change anything in the section, but I need to change in the blog module. So in order to change the module, we need to click on this brown icon. So I'll click on this arrow button. So once I've clicked on this arrow button, you can see the same options coming in front of me as a few minutes back I was seeing in the backend section. So once you have done all these things, let's go to the design section and overlay. This is the section which can create a background film. I'll say text, use text overlay. Now you can see a small background has appeared over my this thing. Okay, fine, let me just change so that you can clearly understand. Now can you see the small background which is appearing, right? So let's test with this only. I'm trying to make this thing more better. So if I need to increase the radius, I can simply click on this, increasing the radius. It's fine. Now if I need to change the color, okay, background is not looking nice, I'll say no background color. Or text overlay, I can select something like white. No, white would not look good. Also greenish. So this looks good, but I can change little bit inside it. So I just simply need to click here, and I'll increase the see the color is transparent little bit, so I can see what is written in the background, and I can reduce its color. Right, this is looking a little better, or I can select blue or black even. Yeah, black looks much better. If I'm selecting black, it is giving a much clearer. Yeah, black looks better, so I'll keep it. I'll go with the black. Right, I will go with the black. So this is something that you can choose from the color what you want. And again, just going to the navigation section, arrow. So you can see the arrow that would be coming out here, what color of arrow you want. I suppose I'll say I want a white color arrow. Right, the arrows will come here moment this we are out of the editing section, so you'd be able to see the arrow. Right, so this now you can see the arrows. Can you see the arrow? I've selected the white color arrow, so it is coming here. If I'll select, I need a arrow color as black. So yes, now you can see the black arrow is coming out here. Fine, and bottom is the dot navigation. So if I'll say I need a black color dot navigation, so yes, now you can see the black color have just appeared. So if I'll need to show you, see now it disappeared, and if I'll click on the back color, so it's again appearing. So what is this black color? This is way even that you can navigate your slider. Right, so the number of dot simply represent how many sliders are there inside it. So that is called as a dot navigation, and this is your arrow. If you need to work on the images, so you can have the boundary a little bit, you know, that can give you a better edge. Fine, that's fine. The images you'll understand from here. This image gets curved, so I'll say so now these all settings are not good to be done in the post section, because if I need to make it a curve or shadow, I ideally should use the module section. So as of now, this is all good. It is all the body text, the text of the body which is appearing out here. How I want it to be centrally aligned, and text size should be a little bit bigger. It's fine. Right, the text size is a little bigger now. I say I'll have some shadow effects inside it. So this will go with the shadow effects. So these are for the text which is appearing inside it, inside the blog meta description and whatever is the stuff coming. If I need to work on the button, use the custom styling, I'll say yes. So now see, you can see here's the button. It's not visible actually. I'll make it black so that, yeah, now it's visible. So I just need to make this button appear. Yeah, it's appearing out here. So let me just change it. Let me go to the design. By mistake I clicked on the outside boundary, so this everything just wrapped up. I'll say button text size, I'll make it like bigger. Right, see now it's click. It's very big now. I think I should reduce it a little bit at least. Right, yeah, and its background is transparent, so what I can do is I can select a background color to make it visible. It's looking odd, but this is just for that, showing you guys how it can be designed even. Or if I need to select any more color, I can go with this one. Yeah, fine. If I need to increase the border width, it's better. So can you see the border width is increasing of the button as well. And if I need to change the font size and text and everything, and this is something button icon that is on hovering, what icon should appear. So suppose if I'll say this icon should appear, see now, can you see this icon appearing out here? So that's the same thing. So now this was all the post slider. So right now, as I can see, it's written post slider, but it's not sliding because we haven't activated the animation. So in the design section, the last option is animation. So if I'll click here, I can choose what animation I want. So this is the intro animation, like the moment this section will come, how you want it to get animated. Suppose if I'll say fade, it will appear something like this. If I'll say slide, like this, or bounce, it will bounce like this. If I'll say fold, it will just get folded like this. So whatever way of animation you want, you can select from here, right? And in order to start this, all the blogs, that is all the blogs automatically coming in front of us, you need to make this section work, that is the automatic animation on. So moment I put it on, I can select what's the duration I want. So generally I keep it like 4000, which is a good amount of time. So it's 4000 times with something like this, right? So after every few seconds it is popping up. Yeah, it's look good. If you want to increase it, you can keep it like 4500, which may little increase this duration for which this thing will remain. So continue automatic animation slides on hover. So this is called hovering. The moment your mouse is over a section and you moving the mouse, that act is called as hovering. So if you want that your sliding should stop the moment the mouse is over this section, so you need to put it off. But if you want, even if the mouse is out here, you want the blogs to keep on sliding, you need to make it on. The moment you'll make it on, even if your mouse is over the section, say your blog is getting slided. But if you'll put it off, so the moment you'll keep your mouse out here in the section, the blog will not slide. So this is up to your, again, designing and perception. If you want to put this thing automatically sliding, or if you want to change this thing that you want the slides to keep on sliding irrespective of whether the mouse is over the section or not. So you can very easily work with this. So this was all about the post slider which is present in the Divis module. Join me in the next video where I'll be telling you all the next module after post slider. Right, so let's just have a preview what module we are going to cover. So in the next section we will be covering post title. So we'll be seeing how the post title option works. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with this video.